can you provide strategies to do tabligh to African Americans?
I have already given you the big plans. You see, if what do you do? Do you do some tabligh?
I just no, I haven't started yet.
First, you start it. Set your example before them. They will ask you, "Who are you?" Then pray to Allah Ta'ala that He guides you to do better tabligh, right? And then make more friends from African Americans, and then ask them that what is Islam and how do we behave and who I am and what I believe in. There are so many things. So until and unless you have close relations with those people, people are indifferent about religion nowadays. Nobody wants, especially the youth, they don't want to listen about the religion. Huh?
Yes.
So when they see your example,
Yes.
that at this young age, the person is religious minded and practicing Muslim and spreading peace, love and harmony and message of Allah, then they will be attracted towards you. Right?
Yes, Susie.